Unveiling the warmth in words, sending warm wishes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that you might come across in English conversations, letters, or even emails. Sending warm wishes. This expression is more than just a collection of words. It's a heartfelt gesture of kindness and goodwill. So, if you're ready to explore the depth of these words and learn how to use them effectively in your daily communication, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the warmth hidden in this phrase together. Sending warm wishes is an expression full of emotion and good intentions. At its core, warm wishes symbolize a kind of affection, care, and hope that one person extends to another. It's similar to telling someone, "I hope all is well with you," but with an added layer of warmth and friendliness. This phrase is often used during special occasions, such as birthdays, holidays, or significant life events like graduations or new beginnings, to convey support and happiness for someone's future. While sending warm wishes is versatile, its impact is greatly influenced by the context in which it is used. For example, sending a card with this message during the holiday season can imbue it with a festive spirit. Alternatively, including it in a message of encouragement during a difficult time for someone adds a comforting and supportive touch. Understanding the context not only helps in choosing the right moment to use this phrase but also in personalizing your message to make it more meaningful. 1. Personal messages. Adding, sending warm wishes at the end of a personal note or email can turn a simple message into a heartwarming gesture. It shows that you're thinking of the recipient with kindness and hope for their well-being. 2. Special occasions. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or holiday greeting, sending warm wishes fits perfectly. It adds a touch of personal warmth to your congratulations or greetings. 3. Professional settings. While more commonly used in personal contexts, sending warm wishes can be appropriately used in professional settings too, especially in messages marking professional milestones or holidays, to add a human touch to the communication. We hope this exploration of the phrase, sending warm wishes, has not only helped you understand its meaning and use but also inspired you to incorporate it into your own communication. Remember, it's not just the words, but the warmth and sincerity behind them that truly make a difference. So, the next time you want to convey your care and good intentions to someone, consider sending them your warm wishes. Thank you for joining us today, and may you always find the right words to spread warmth and positivity around you.